Alright, so this is the spreadsheet that Biz asked for. So let me just go over it real quick and show you how to use it. So this main page here, see we're on the main sheet. Don't type anything in here except for right here in this column that says AA. You can see how it's on Tourist Trap Easy, and if you go across right here, I'll leave this here so you'll know where to start typing. But you can type your current records for all the courses right here. And what it will do is as you start entering scores in, it will automatically update this column with your record. Okay? This column keeps up with how many rounds you've played. And notice it's the color of it. So I have it where it's color coded. It'll automatically color. I think it's the lowest score will be, the lowest number of times you've played a course will be shaded in green, and the one that you've played the most number of times, I think it's shaded in a reddish color if I'm not mistaken. This right here gives you your average score on each hole as you play. So if you play 10 rounds, it'll take all 10 rounds for the first hole and give you what your average is on that hole. And that'll do it for each hole. And then this is your average score total. It'll give you your average that you get on that course, over however many rounds you play. And then we've got your best and worst average. It automatically calculates that. This will automatically update. You can't type where the formulas are or it'll mess it up. This tells you how many days you've been doing it. So it's basically based on the dates. So here you can enter in the day you start recording. And this one over here, nothing to type in here because that's a formula. It automatically updates to the current date. All right, and then it tells you how many rounds you played, how many total putts you've had in every round on every game, the hole-in-ones, the amazing, that's if you get 4 under or better on a hole. Albatross, eagle, birdies, pars, bogeys, double bogeys, triple bogeys, and stroke limits. It calculates all that on every course, every round you've played. And then this one tells you how many bogey-free rounds you've had, how many rounds you've played with no bogeys. Don't worry about this division error. As you start entering scores in, these will go away. It just tells you your percentage. So, like if you have 5 bogey-free rounds and you've played 10 rounds, then this will show 50% right here. Okay. All right. Now, what we do is we come to each course. See, there's a separate page for each course. It's got all the courses on here, hard and easy. So let's just say, for instance, you play Tourist Trap Easy. And the only place that you need to type is in the yellow area. Don't type anywhere else. Everything else is formulas. It automatically calculates things. So let's just enter in some scores. Okay, so we'll do 2, 3. We'll do 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's just keep going. 1, and let's say Biz got a hole-in-one on 18. He got lucky. All right. So you can see over here it automatically starts calculating things. You got 12 pars, 3 birdies, 1 eagle, 1 amazing, and 2 hole-in-ones. And of course you didn't get a bogey-free round. This right here puts a 1 there if it's a bogey-free round. Let's see, the one that we bogeyed is this one. So let's just change that to a 2 and watch how it changes. See how that changes to 1 and that changes to a bogey-free round. Now look at this. Let's say, this right here is the par for each hole. Okay, that's what's on the scorecard. So you got to leave that. But let's just say here you got a 5. And notice what it does here. It puts a 2, so that's your average for that. And notice how it highlights it in red. It highlights it if it's above par, so you can kind of easily find, you know, the holes you need to work on. And then this chart, it automatically updates. I mean, you can watch watch when I type in a 3, this for hole 1, it'll change. Or type in a 4. Let's type in a 4. Now watch this right here change. See how it goes up? And that changed to a 1 because that's your average. You're averaging a bogey on that hole. And then, you know, you can keep on typing in, and you can see the chart changing and everything. So let's say you do that. But you can come back here on the main screen and see how it starts filling out this stuff for you. And it says, okay, you've played 2 rounds. The ones highlighted in green, that's the most number of rounds you played. And the ones in red is the least amount of rounds you played. And then you can see there's your best. And then, of course, this is going to, I know it says Tourist Trap Hard 0, but as you play and, you know, your averages start changing, this will update and be accurate. And then you can see here's the percentage, okay? You know, the double bogeys, the percentage of double bogeys and all that good stuff. But yeah, I cleared out all of this. So we'll put that back to 0. Don't worry about this division by 0 up here. Now, this area right in here, you've got to make sure you don't type in it, because look, it's this right here. These numbers are used in the formula. Let's see, let's change the text color to black. See, what it's doing is it's filling all this stuff out for you. Okay, it's got this right here is where it averages up, you know, where it does some calculations. I've got to have that for calculations. And for some reason, there's not a formula there. Seems like that needs to be, I might need to copy that. That might need to be copied down. So if you come over here and for some reason it's not working like it's supposed to, you can just put it, take this, let's see, that's SR3, S3, okay. Yeah, you can take this, and all you do is just, let's see, we want that to go away. Let's see. Let's just put in something here. Okay, so here, if you need to copy it down, you just click in there and you put it where it's a plus right there, and you just drag all the way down to the bottom. And it goes all the way down to 360, and now there's a formula in there. And it's 355 rounds, and that's quite a few rounds. So yeah, those might need to be copied down, I think. All right. So yeah, but we'll undo that because for some reason it's been working for me. But anyway, if you have any questions or anything, or you need anything done, just message me, and I can take a look at it. But I'm going to share the sheet with you. I'll post the link will be in the Discord on that chat. I'll post it to the 845 group, I guess. But yeah, that's how it works. And if you have any other questions on it, and you know, you see it's for all of them. It's all the courses. So you just got to go and take a picture of your scorecard, and you enter in your score for each hole, and it keeps up with all the stats for you. All right, but here it is. I just wanted to make a video to kind of explain it to you. If you have more questions, just let me know. Later.